Welcome back. Today we're going to go over step 17 of the 28-point air conditioning tune-up and system rejuvenation. Step number 17 is to clean and clear the drain system for the air conditioner cooling coil. The drainage system that runs outside needs to be free and clear of any debris, just like a plumbing drain in your house. When a plumbing drain in your house backs up, all water overflows and water goes in places you don't want it to be. The water that this thing produces could be a couple gallons of water a day, depending on the outdoor temperatures. And we want to make sure that this drain line properly allows the water to all go outside, not down inside of a supply plenum and then out into your ductwork, because water in cold, dark places is not a good idea. We also want to make sure that we've got some kind of emergency overflow device that stops the unit from flooding ductwork or flooding the house when the drain system gets clogged up. So it's real important to get a professional out, have them check that drain system, get it cleared, get it cleaned, make sure it's draining the right way. Maintenance is an inexpensive way to protect your home and protect your equipment. So start with a tune-up and then follow it up with a maintenance program from there on out. See you on the next video.